Snipers, you have to see what's happening to the cryptocurrency market today as Bitcoin has reclaimed the 50-period moving average on the daily chart. And exactly like we talked about yesterday, when we look at the 4-hour chart, because we stayed above the previous weekly open at 56,150, we saw bullish price action testing the $58,300 level. And the chart is clearly telling us this is an important area as we have seen a minor rejection, but we are above all of the moving averages on the 4-hour chart, and that is an extremely bullish sign for Bitcoin. I want to talk about whether or not we are going to see continued highs and potentially new all-time highs for Bitcoin, just like Ethereum. You can see here heading towards our target of the big even of 3,000 US dollars. When we look at the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, notice how we had this reload yesterday, testing the weekly open and bouncing right back above the monthly open, exactly like we talked about. If we stayed above this weekly open, we were most likely going to see bullish strength, and now we have this potential gap to take us towards the target of 53,672 satoshis, and that could certainly bring Ethereum's price above 3,000 US dollars. And you can see others' dominance showing strength, and then the total cryptocurrency market cap chart above the monthly open, the major channel support, and the weekly open. And then if we look at the daily chart, you can see we are way and above this 50-period moving average. Is Bitcoin going to follow the rest of the total cryptocurrency market cap and continue to see new highs? You guys are watching the Snipers channel. My name is Naeem Al-Obeidi. We have an amazing update this weekend. For those that want to support our channel, remember to smash the like button. And if you want to win one of my favorite books on investing, comment below and share this video. You'll have a chance to win. First, I want to talk about exactly what's happening to the Bitcoin price. You can see here, we are above this 50-period moving average on the daily chart. I told you guys that was an important area for us to get above. And now that this daily candle today here on May 1st is fully above this major level, notice how we have this new monthly open. And if Bitcoin continues to see strength above 58,300, that is going to be the first confirmation that we will potentially see some upside. And we all know the path of least resistance when there's low volume is sideways to a little bit higher. And so that is definitely on the table here. You can see on the 4-hour volume, we had this major buy pressure come in and no sellers in sight. And so in my opinion, when we come into these more micro time frames, it doesn't look like Bitcoin has yet to find its final destination. It is forming a bullish flaggish type of pattern here, and this typically will continue into the same direction. And you can see we have some very good buy volume here, and the sellers have yet to outmatch the buyers. And so in my opinion, on the micro time frames, it looks like we want to get above 58,300. And if that is the case, the next upside target is going to be the $61,844 level. And that would put us right at this major area here where Bitcoin has tested this as a support level here in the past twice. You can see once and then a second time here in March. The first time was in February. And if we get towards this area, you can see there's now confluence with the $61,844 major area where we had a high here, and that acted as a breakout zone to see the new all-time highs. If we get above 61,844, that is the confirmation that we're most likely going to see new all-time highs for Bitcoin. But getting above 58,300 puts us inside of this range where we have that $61,844 level on the table. And so we really want to continue to see price action to the upside for Bitcoin as we head into Sunday. Of course, when Monday opens and traditional markets open, we know that the DXY has shown a very bullish engulfing candle here on the daily chart here, closing back above the 100-period moving average. And so it's going to be an interesting open on Monday. And for those tuned into the Snipers channel, you know we will cover traditional markets as that comes. But I do want to address what's happening to Ethereum. You can see we are heading towards that big even of 3,000 US dollars as our first target, and we are above the monthly open and above this channel here. I talked about Ethereum being the stronger asset over the last month, but we still have some low volume. So don't be surprised if we see sideways price action testing this monthly open, sitting right at that $2,777 level. But understand that that $3,000 level is certainly on the table, and I think that will come as we start to see this Ethereum to Bitcoin chart head towards that 53,672 Satoshi area. So that's really what we want to watch if we want to confirm the upside for Ethereum. So if we get above this candle high here that acted as the pullback, which is right at that 51,655 Satoshi area, that's going to be the first confirmation that we're heading towards 53,000 Satoshis, and that would take us towards that $3,000 big even. And then the total cryptocurrency market cap chart above the monthly open right now. And this is the new monthly open, of course. And notice how we're heading towards that $2.259 trillion level, which was a previous high for the total cryptocurrency market. If we start to see bullish price action with the total cryptocurrency market cap chart, which we're already seeing hints of that, then I'm going to expect altcoins to see continued upside, and that's clearly being shown here with others' dominance still maintaining this ascending support level that it began in January of 2021. And of course, that was the beginning of altcoin season, and altcoins are still looking extremely well with Bitcoin dominance still showing weakness below the new monthly open and the weekly open and previous weekly open. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to smash the like button. It helps out with the YouTube algorithm. I'm going to give away a book to one of our comments from our video yesterday. Let's see here. Alex Armex says, have a great day, Naeem. You want a book? Send me a message on Instagram. The link is in the description below. If you want to enter, once again, just comment below and share this video. And thank you all for watching. And until next time, snipers out.